What's up, YouTube? My nephew just got this Honda Civic hatchback. This is a 4-door sedan. It's pretty tight. I just drove it, and the shifting is very nice. This is manual shifting, manual gear. Got your Honda badge over there, the chrome badge. Got your dual center rear exhaust pipe right here. That is dope. What are you going to do about your tinted window? So we just remove the shift knob, try to change it. Your carbon fiber, what's that? Panel? Got your honeycomb grill. I mean grill, front grill right here. Bottom grills. Nearby the fog lights. Ooh, there's a dead bee right there. So we just finished changing the shift knob. So this is the final result after we change it. What's it look like? This is the RAZO shift knob. We just pry out this side panel on both sides. You guys pull this out. There's like a 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, but it's kind of weird because that you have to yank it out. Okay, a couple scratches here, and then yank it out on this side too. And after that, there are like a 2 Phillips screws, 1, 2, and then you gotta pop this up in order to get into the shift. So overall, pretty good. Nice carbon fiber finish panel there. There's one right here too. Just a sec. So when I just shift it to reverse, there's a rear view camera there. And this area is for your smartphone. I'll take that, just remove. And then those are 2 openings for the wire. There's a USB charging port right there. And then the power outlet 12 volt. Left side is the USB. And you have this aluminum pedal, gas pedal, clutch pedal, and then a brake pedal. There's no emergency brake. Emergency brake button is right here. In order to get out the parking brake mode, you have to hit the brake first, and then push it. Push this button to release the emergency brake, and then to engage with the emergency brake, you have to pull the tab up. So everything is electric. So if I don't press my foot on the brake pedal, and I hit to release the emergency brake button, it's give me that warning sign right there. I need to hit the brake first. So I need to hit the brake and then press the button. Alright guys, so this is just a walkthrough for this Honda Civic Coupe sports package. please be sure to like the video and give a thumbs up, and then subscribe if you guys haven't do so yet, and share this with your friend on social media if they are looking into the Honda Civic Coupe that has a pretty nice horsepower, about 180 plus horsepower. So thank you for watching, and please be sure to turn on your notification. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Take you higher, don't stop, man, start that fire. We about to take you higher.